Hello everyone, I'm Anna Vanilla and I would like to introduce you to my DJ equipment. It's a Pioneer, as you can see it's written here, Pioneer DJ. It's a very good device. I've been working on it for a couple of years already, and this is how it all looks, and I cannot wait to do a set with it. This is a screen, as you can see. This is my USB where I copy the songs, or like copy and paste songs. And this is a recording button, so I'll be recording it for you, the sets that I would be DJing. And as you can see, it looks lovely. It's good, it's fresh, it's smooth, it's fantastic, it's a magic to work with. The buttons are just so tactile, and as you can see, it's here, everything is here. This is the table that is on, and it has a deck saver, which I also put aside to make sure this device doesn't catch any dust. I have a deck saver for it, and as you can see, everything is in a good condition. Yay! And cannot wait to make video sets for you all, my dear fans, and hopefully we can have fun together, and hopefully you can rewatch my DJ sets. I hope you're going to love it, and I cannot wait to have fun, to be dancing around it, and to show you how I can perform for you. Hopefully you're going to love it. The experience of DJing is very interesting, it's very unique. It makes you feel like dancing, it makes you jump up and down and turn the buttons, and then you kind of feel elevated. And as you can see, it has it all. It's got all the decks here, it's all in one. This is a computer screen, and these are absolutely everything that a DJ needs. It's fantastic. I think is great piece. I have decks which are separate, but this one is all in one. And what I like about all-in-one, it can just produce music with just one piece, and it's less heavy, it's less bulky to carry with you. For instance, if you go outside and you perform, you make a set, it might be too heavy, but I have something like this. It will be just fantastic to carry around, because it's not as heavy. It is heavy, but not as heavy as the main devices you see at the bars, at the discotheques. So thank you very much for watching and subscribing. This is the introduction of my DJing, and hopefully to see you soon in my next couple of videos. I'll be doing other videos for you to enjoy, and with music. I cannot wait to show you my music, to show you my couple of songs as well. So thank you very much and see you soon.